Hi everyone, this is another day, another time to solve mathematics. Remember, mathematics is a way of life. It's not just a subject, but it is a way of life. Our problem of the day says that we should evaluate cos 75 without using tables. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, but before we start solving the problem, please, you can go to YouTube to watch this video. You can also go to TikTok and also on Facebook at Patobills, and also like my Facebook page at Patobills Tutorials. That's when you can see more of these videos to like. Okay, so without further delay, let's go straight to the point. We have to evaluate cos 75 degree without using tables. All right, so this is pretty simple, and this is how we can go about it. Now, note we can write 75 as it's a sum of two special angles, which is 45 and plus what? 30. So 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. So that means that cos 75 degree is equals to cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. So now that we have succeeded in writing this, also we should also note that cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now this is the addition formula. So we are going to be using this formula in trying to evaluate cos 75, which we have succeeded in writing as the sum of two special angles, which is 45 degree and 30 degree. So let's bring these ones here. So that means that sorry, pardon me for so that means that cos 45 degree plus 30 degree is equals to cos 45 degree cos 30 degree is multiplication that is going on there minus sine 45 degree times sine 30 degree. So now that we have succeeded in writing this in this form, so if you look at this one up here and look at this down one here, they are in the same manner. They are similar. They are what? Similar. So one thing with mathematics is that is your ability to recall formulas and rules. If you are able to recall formula and rules, it will be pretty much simple for you. So without doing that, we know that 45 is a special angle, 30 is also a special angle. Also know that what's it cos 45? Cos 45 is equals to square root of 2 over 2 times what is cos 30? Square root of 3 over 2 minus what is sin 45? Sin 45 is same thing as cos 45, which is square root of 2 over 2 times what is sin 30? Sin 30 is half, which is 1 over 2. So now that we have brought out this in, that's why they are called special angles, because we don't need to go into the tables to get their values. So now that we have gotten this, we can now simplify these fractions. So remember, this is a multiplication that is here, so that means that we are going to multiply the numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. So this will now give us something. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 will give us square root of 6 over 2 times 2 is 4 minus this times this will give us minus square root of 2 over 4. Now observe that both the first fraction and the second fraction, they have the same denominator. So since they have common denominator, we can now write cos 75 degree as what? 1 over 4 times square root of 6 minus square root of 2 q e e. Okay, so that's pretty much simple how we can go about it. So in our next class, we are going to be looking at more of these trigonometrical identities, ratios, and special angles. Thank you. and God bless you. Again, please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and also on YouTube. Thank you.